Welcome. Today I have a beautiful and quite unique 4-bedroom single-story home to show you in Mae Rim. It's located in an exclusive community just opposite Four Seasons Resort. The community is notable for its wide streets, very quiet surroundings, good security, and high-end homes. This house has quite a few remarkable features, the first of which you're seeing right now are the beautiful landscape gardens. There's solar power as well, and giving you a bit of a bird's eye view of the surrounding community and mountains. Coming in through one of the two entrances. This is really the pedestrian entrance. You can see the care taking and maintaining the gardens. Each tree was hand-picked by the owners. And walking up through the main entrance, you can see one of the other notable features, which is the whole house is handicapped accessible. So you have a large ramp entering here. They've minimized the steps throughout the house, so very few steps, particularly in the bathrooms and entering the bedrooms. These are beautiful teak doors, and walking into the main entryway, you have the open plan Western style kitchen. These are beautiful teak cupboards. Teak work island that all extends out, so you have plenty of storage space. High ceiling, open plan living room, and really the most remarkable feature of the house is this interior-exterior waterfall visible from the living room. Floor-to-ceiling windows taking full advantage of the view. These can all open up if you need more space or want to take advantage of the beautiful Chiang Mai weather. And you can see how beautifully this waterfall feature is done. It extends up about, I'd say, 5 or 6 meters. There are automatic blinds on the sun-western facing side. And walking into the master bedroom here, there are blinds throughout, so you can close them easily for additional privacy. On the sunward facing side, you can see the wooden beams provide a bit of extra shade. It's quite a large space with extensive built-in furniture. And then you have this wonderful ensuite bathroom with his and her sinks, a separate toilet, and shower. Taking you out through the bedroom, you see the walk-in closet. And then out of the exterior, I'll take you to the adjoining guest toilet. And the first guest bedroom, which has a private entrance to the master bedroom because it's intended as a nursery or perhaps as a caretaker's bedroom. It also has an ensuite bathroom. Behind the western kitchen, you have a secondary Thai kitchen. However, this is fully equipped and in most homes would be considered a Western kitchen. Taking you now to the guest wing, which is accessible immediately off of the main entrance. You first have a large pantry and storage room. And the two guest bedrooms in this wing. Both have direct access to the gardens and ensuite bathrooms. The second guest bedroom. Cassette air conditioning, like all of the other rooms. Two windows, again, these wonderful wooden slats offering a bit of shade protection and privacy. Extensive built-in closets, and an ensuite bathroom. Taking you around front, this is just off of the master bedroom, which has a direct path to the sala. The sala has a great view of the surrounding gardens and koi pond. You can see here. And there's a walkway that winds its way around the back perimeter of the property into the top of the waterfall. At the top here, you get some very nice views of the surrounding mountains. And this netted area takes you to the top of the waterfall. There's a small path that leads down the side and takes you to the bottom of the waterfall and pond with access to the living room. Around front, there's a secondary entrance which has the car park. And there's a small path around the back of the house, which gives you easy access to the kitchen from the car park. Water storage. These are storage sheds or closets. And you have the maid's area in back here with laundry, a maid's room, and bathroom. Thanks so much for watching with me, and if you have any questions or would like to see the property in person, please get in touch with Thai Northern Properties. When you think of homes in Chiang Mai, think of Thai Northern Properties.